Just remarkable though, look at how razor thin this rain snow line is. It's 47 right now in Casco Bay, the ocean water temperature that is. But the north wind has been able to hold off this rain snow line and it just is not moving. In fact, Wells is 28, Portsmouth is 29. So if you get any rain on the southern Maine coast, it's going to be very brief. This is going to be mostly, if not all, snow from Portland Point south. East, though, of Brunswick and Bath, that's where you see the rain snow line right now. So, for example, it's 40 in New Harbor, but drive to Wiscasset, you get off the peninsula here, it's 27. So that's where we have such a big contrast in what's happening. It's just wet with some light rain falling here, temperatures above freezing. And then on the other side of this front, it's not just cold, but it's snowing at a pretty good rate. We just reported that Damariscotta already has 3.5 inches of snow on the ground. You can see a similar theme here over eastern Maine. Cutler 35, Bar Harbor 34, but Cherryfield 29. So it's going to be a pretty tight rain snow line that pretty much just hugs the coast and Penobscot Bay and never really makes it into southern Maine. So I think Cumberland and York counties, this is almost all snow from here on out. 3 o'clock this afternoon, there's the rain area. It doesn't really move too far from where it is now, but there will be some steadier precipitation that comes in from the west. So this is 6 o'clock in the evening, and we'll have temperatures that'll be in the 20s with periods of heavier snow coming through during the evening hours. This is about the height of the storm. Inch per hour snowfall rates 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, and then we do wind this down between 10 and midnight in western Maine, and then between about midnight and 3 a.m. or so in eastern Maine, and it's going to be a non-issue by tomorrow morning's commute. So this is the snowfall forecast, and if I were to change anything right now, you can probably bring this 6 to 9 all the way back to the coast in most of York and Cumberland counties. We still have Portland in 6 to 9, that never changed, and I think we do get at least 6 inches of snow here. On the mid-coast, this is playing out actually pretty well. This zone here, which we put in the 1 to 3 yesterday, is exactly where it's raining now, but you just travel a bit to the north and it's still mostly snow. Bangor, we have you in 6 to 9, but I would lean on the lower end of that range as we see it now. So Brian, as we come back on over to the anchor desk here, I'd say over the next few hours, what we're going to be watching is how heavy does the snow get, and it coincides with the evening commute.